Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Been a little bit since we've chatted, but recently we went on our first trip with our Grand Design Imagine 2670 MK. We went up to Door County, Wisconsin. Beautiful, beautiful place. I recommend that everybody that likes to travel heads out there and takes a look at that area of the country. It's beautiful. The weather was fantastic, right there on the water. But it was our first trip out with the RV. Things went well. We didn't have any issues or anything like that. Nothing broke. We did run into one minor thing though. When we got there, we had thought that we had full hookups, and then we found out that there was no sewer hookup at our site. So I've got a fix for that, and I wanted to take you guys through it. Stay tuned. So here is what we did to take care of the issue. This is the Camco RHINO waste tank, and went with the middle of the road size on this one. There's some that are a little bit bigger, some that are a little bit smaller. Figured if I got one that's too small, it's kind of worthless, since our tanks are 40-gallon tanks on our RV. But this one here is a 21-gallon. So if we get into a pinch or anything like that, it'd be something good to have along with us, where we're not like stuck, if you will, because you don't want to be in that situation where the potty is full and you can't go no more. So again, middle of the road one. I've heard really good things about these Camco RHINO tanks. I know that we've got their hoses and their waste hoses, and they're really sturdy and durable looking. So I think that we're going to be happy with the quality of this guy. But it comes with the hoses that you would need, whether it be the waste hose or a clean out hose, all of the valves and caps that you would need. And the really nice thing is that it comes with a hook that you can use to hook onto the tank itself, and then onto your receiver hitch, and you can just tow this guy to the dump with your truck. So easy peasy. So we'll crack open the box here. All right guys, opened it up and packed very nicely. One thing that I was really happy to see is this thing is already all assembled. Don't have to put the tires on, don't have to do any of that. You pull it out of the box, it's ready to go, which is a huge win. But let's go through all of the pieces that come in the box. So obviously you've got the tank itself. Again, this is the 21-gallon. It comes with the RHINO hose. Very nice. These things are, from what I've heard, bulletproof. Really like to see that it comes with the elbows that are clear, so that you can see when the tank is cleaned out and when it's not. So you've got two elbows that are clear, which is fantastic. Cap for the unit itself, and these are not a screw-on, they're lug type of cap. It sits right on those lugs and locks into place. Has seals on them, which no leakage, no mess, no disgustingness. It's got some caps, two caps, male and female, for your hose itself, which is nice. You never have too many of these, because I'm sure that these will go missing. However, they do give you lanyards for them to keep them connected to the unit, which is nice. You've got your sewer inlet adapter. So you get to RV parks, you're going to have multiple different sizes of sewers that you're going to be attaching to. So it gives you these step downs where you can fit into any adapter that you may need. And a hose that hooks up to the unit that is used for washouts. So you can use this exclusively, and it's the yucky hose that you don't want to use for other things, as it says on it. Do not use for drinking water. The last thing, actually not the last thing, comes with the cap itself for your vent, so it will fill and drain nicely as it should. And this is the hitch that I was telling you about that just fits on here friction style up here on the handle. Uses the weight of the unit itself to hold it in place, and you can hook it up to your hitch on your truck and take it where you need to go. So guys, all in all, really nice, really good, durable built unit. I think that we're going to be happy with it. It's got a hook on the back of it where you can hook it onto the ladder on the back of your RV, strap it down. It's not going to go anywhere. And again, it keeps it, you know, away from any of your storage or anything like that that you don't want to get poo-poo stuff around. So we may rarely use this, but it's a good peace of mind thing to have in case you get into a situation. So that's it, I think. I think what we'll do is we'll put some links below for you guys to check out where you can get one of these if you're interested in, and do some research on your own. Outside of that, be sure to give us a like, leave us a comment if you've got this unit, if you've had good luck with it. We'd love to hear that. And be sure to subscribe to the channel as we kind of learn more and have fun here on Evergreen. So until next time, guys, thank you. Bye-bye.